Alright, so before I start this, this has nothing to do with, actually, this has a lot to do with the video, but, this has, like, nothing with the video. This is not an intro. This is just a kind of a hi to YouTube, and this is why also I haven't posted the video for a couple weeks. I'm trying not to post every month. That's not my goal, actually. I'm trying to post about, like, every, since I'm very busy on doing stuff, at least every 2 to 3 weeks, at least. I'm trying to do every at least week, but since all this, like, all these videos and stuff, like, I'm really working hard on these, like, just getting clips and also just adding effects in general. It's hard. And when YouTube comes around and slaps me in the face, and I have no clue, like, I'm a small creator, I have no clue why. So they tell me, okay, your video has been gone for hate speech, and I go to them, I email them, I said, why? And then they just give me a link to their terms of service. They don't give me a timestamp. They don't say, okay, this is around the video, this is around where you said the bad stuff. They don't give me any of that. All they do is they say, you did hate speech. Okay, where? I will completely cooperate with YouTube as much as possible, as much as they need me to. But when they can't tell me what I did wrong, I don't know. So in this video, you're going to see random parts of it cut out. And if possible, if they keep, like, doing this and I get the first part, like, if I edit the stuff out and then they say, hey, you're still doing hate speech. If I edit the stuff I think is hate speech and they just completely, they gave me a warning again, I don't know what to do, because they're not giving me the exact place where I said it. So you will see random parts of this video cut out, and I'm sorry. You might be wondering why I bought the Weaver Crandall for $50 and the Champions 2022 butterfly knife. You're not? Well, fuck, my friends certainly are. Man, I don't even know why I bought those skins, bro. I just fucking, I hope my friend accept me. I mean, I just spent like $100, was it? Oh, hello? Oh my god! They always call me names. That's about a couple names, man. He's calling me? Hello?
Why did you buy the knife? Why?
Bro, bro, they just look cool, okay? You know what? Freak you, man, freak you!
Connection terminated.
This is not real. It's just a dream. Please, wake up.
Whoa, okay, I'm sorry, let's actually get to the video, my bad. Oh! Oh my god, no way I saved that!
I'm so dead. They all rushed.
Did you see?
Nice.
Oh! Thank you, Minion. Thank you.
Goofy, yeah. Does that do something?
Like a security camera.
You have your ult, by the way.
Oh my god! Oh!
Spike down A.
Nice, nice.
Get out of my way.
I'm telling you now, I have plans that I cannot share with you right now because the haters will sabotage me.
Something else is bothering me. Last week nobody helped Obama in the voting. Like, there's no black senators. No black senators. And I don't even think it would even matter. There's no black senators. The Republicans got the House. Nobody voted to help Obama out. Like, nobody voted. Like, that was what people don't understand. I think people thought that because Obama is in the White House, everything's gonna be better. There's no flip one switch. There's no switch that says, oh, life is better now. Oh, let me go in and Bush been hiding behind a painting the entire time. I found it. I flipped the switch on. Now life is better. No. People forget who was in charge before Obama took over. Bush ran the country for 8 years. And
Run that back.
Nah, ain't no way. Nah, let's count how many times I missed that shot.
1, 2, 3, 4. How many are in my store? I know you're stealing.
Let's resume that with a little. Oh! Holy!
What goes up must come down. Yeah, my feet don't touch the ground. See the world spinning upside down. A mighty crash will
Oh,
every rage. Step aside, I'll turn the page. Breaking through your crazy maze. Like a laser beam, my eyes on you.
Oh my God! Oh, clip it! Oh my! Oh! 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 With the minions, like in real life.
Can you feel the dark? Can you fix your throat?
I hit you in the head, though. What you gonna do, door?
Get out of my way.
Shut your bitch. Oh!
You didn't have to cut me off. Like that. I could never know we were nothing. I don't even need your love, but you treat me like a stranger, and I feel so low. You didn't have to stop so long. Had to find connection, to change your number. I said I don't need that though. Now you're just somebody that I used to know.
Hey guys.
That's the government. That's what the government says. That's what the government says.
No, you don't.
Oh! Long story short, me and my friends were making fun of this guy because he had an American accent, and so I decided to make fun of him. And he was AFK, and we were cool with each other. But yeah, he was AFK. So this is the clip. Brother, is you AFK, brother? No way you are AFK in America! Yeah, get up! Alright, that's gonna be the end of it. Hope you guys did enjoy. It took a lot making the video, especially when I had 3 minutes down and all of my clips got deleted. And yeah, it's a long story, but long story short, they all got deleted. And yeah, I had to redo the whole video. It wasn't fun. Spent days and very busy, but hope you guys did enjoy.
Now you can get 2 tacos for just
So,
99 cents.
have a great day or night. Love you guys.